Hello! Today I thought I would make a really quick and easy bath bomb. This is going to be a lunar bath bomb or a moon phase bath bomb. And the reason I'm making these is because my granddaughter loves everything about moon phases and her crystals, but also she absolutely loves using bath bombs in her bath. So I've got some really simple ingredients, and that's what makes it so fun. It's really easy to make. I've got some sodium bicarbonate. There's 170 grams there. I've got some citric acid. This particular one is powdered, but you can use the regular one. There's 100 grams there. And I've got 30 grams of corn flour, or cornstarch if you're in America. This needs to have a really good mixing. Get everything blended together properly before we start. It's one of the things I found with bath bombs over the years is it's really important to make sure that that citric acid is properly mixed in. Now I've already sieved all of my ingredients. They often have quite a lot of lumps in them, so it can be quite good to just give them a good sift. Today I'm going to be using pink, orchid and amber fragrance oil, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of mica colour. I've got my fragrance weighed out. I'm going to add my colouring into my fragrance oil, and I'm just going to give that a really good mixing. And you can use many other types of colourings as well. In fact, there are many types of colours out there specifically for bath bombs these days. Just going to give that a really good mixing. It's like making pastry. Just scrunch everything through. Well, my colour is all mixed in nicely now, and it is actually holding together quite well, but I'm going to use some alcohol, spray it a good few times and just get that incorporated in. Some people like to use witch hazel, some people like to use water. Everyone has their favourite way of making bath bombs. So what's yours? How do you like to make your bath bombs? This is the right consistency now. When I squeeze it, it holds together really nicely. Let's try it in the press and see how it works. So this is a pressing mould. I bought this particular one from a company called the Muddy Soap Company. It would work well if you have a bath bomb press like the Electra press, but these actually work so well just on their own. Press it down nice and firmly, just with your hands, and then push it up from the bottom. And look how gorgeous that is already. Twist off the bottom, and we've got the perfect bath bomb. Pop that on there. Let's do another one. So easy because you literally just fill it up to the top, level it off, pop the top plate on, press it down firmly, and then push it from the bottom up. And you've got a lovely finished bath bomb. You really don't always have to have the expensive press to be able to create a gorgeous look like this. And you can buy these types of moulds from many, many companies now. There's some fabulous companies. One of my favourite ones in the UK is a company called Ocean Moulds. They've got some gorgeous pressing moulds. I've made this one a little bit bigger, a big fat moon. There we go. See how easy it is to make these? I think my granddaughter Ilya is going to just absolutely love these. She has a lot of joint pain, and lying in the bath just always makes her feel a little bit better. And having something nice in the bath just makes it even more special. And you know what? If you haven't got some mess, you just haven't had enough fun. There's always plenty of mess when you make bath bombs. Next, I'm going to mix up my paint. This is going to go on the top, and I'm just going to paint a nice kind of moon stripe onto the top of it. So I'm using some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to add my mica colour to it. Give that a really good mixing. got a little jar of glitter. I want to add a little bit of glitter if I can as well. But I was trying to think of a way to make a little lunar moon on here. And I thought I could use the actual pressing mould itself. So let's see if this works. So I'm just going to make it like a moon shape. Take some of my mix and then just paint on this side of it. Well, that's not bad. It's definitely better than I thought it could be. Let's try another one. Oh, I like these. I definitely think she's going to like them. And that's what's most important of all. I'm going to add some glitter into these last couple. See if we can get a bit of glitter going on as well. Ooh, I can already see the glitter sparkling. Ooh, that's so pretty. Definitely going to be adding glitter next time, right from the outset, because that just looks gorgeous. Well, they're a bit drippy down the sides. I really wasn't very careful with those, but you know what? I don't think she'll mind at all. I think she'll have huge fun with those. You can really see that glittery effect all shining and sparkling on the top. I just need to allow these to dry off and she'll be able to use them. So let's try one of these bad boys out and see how the fizz is. Look at that. Beautiful fizz. She's going to have huge fun. Whee! Who doesn't like a bath bomb? Do let me know if you already make bath bombs, and have you ever tried using a pressing mould like this rather than using an actual press itself, just using them manually. They work a treat. And I can't wait to give these to my granddaughter. I'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye for now.